The big dig out in parts of the state. Some areas saw, as Ryan said, more than 2 feet of snow, with the highest reported total in North Stonington.
Yeah, however you measure it, 30 inches, 2.5 feet, ton of snow. NBC Connecticut's Matt Austin joins us live in North Stonington that seem to have gotten the jackpot, Matt.
Yeah, so Amber and Kevin, check out this car. Still obviously buried in the snow here. Obviously, this person has a little bit of work to do. Now, most people we were talking with were in pretty good spirits after this major snowfall, and this community really came together to help each other out after the blizzard. People are digging out after North Stonington was hit hard by the blizzard of 2026.
It's probably been 10 or 12 years since I've seen more than a foot, and this is a lot more than a foot.
Yes, a lot more. The town was the jackpot for the storm in the state with 30.8 inches of snow.
Because I've never shoveled snow like this. This is the most snow I've ever seen. But it's a good workout. It is heavy though.
Yeah. All the snow is tough for those shoveling and even for plows. Several town ones ended up getting stuck.
I heard we had one of our plow trucks. We had to leave overnight last night because it was stuck in the snow. We just couldn't get it out. We're going back today with a loader to pull it out of the snow.
Down trees and wires closed multiple roads and led to hundreds of power outages.
We actually had one plow stuck underneath a power line that was live. So we had to wait for Eversource to come in and get that, so we get that truck out of there.
The first selectman gives credit to the plow crews who have been working 48 hours straight. Also, he is thankful for the tight-knit community being there for their neighbors. People like Aaron Hannafin, who was doing his part to help with the cleanup.
We still got to come together and check on each other.
And back out here live, a little bit moment of zen, kind of a beautiful setting by the river over here. Now, in terms of the plow crews, they were hopeful to head home this afternoon and get a little bit of rest. And coming up at 6, the plan with potentially more snow on the way. We're live in North Stonington, Matt Austin, NBC Connecticut News. Amber and Kevin, back to you guys.